Abafethu we back again uyazi bangaba Tuesdays ngisuke kunaye uSiso Phumla K oyi life coach nangu lana eduze kwami namhlanje sokhuluma udaba olubalekile workplace conflict. Siyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bayawufuna umsebenzi kodwa emsebenzini igcina sewuxabana nabantu usuvuka ekseni you're reluctant to go to work because uyazi kunomuntu ozokwenza usuku lwakho lobe like hell kube nzima kakhulu ngendlela esimangaliso Siso Phumla K. So sikubingelela ukusagcina last week right kodwa namhlanje
I'm good and how are you?
I am handsome.
Yeah, sibonga ukugcina emseni.
Amen. Hallelujah. So abantu bayifuna umsebenzi kodwa ukuthola umsebenzi sekuyabulawana thuba ngiyaloyana ubani uyangihlupha emsebenzini angikho right into eyinkinga le mawebheka.
Firstly, I would like to invite our father at this present time ukuthi abe nathi in whatever that we are doing. And thank you so much for this opportunity again. And I greet you all the viewers. Ngithemba ukuthi ni right nonke emakhaya. Okay. What causes the conflict emsebenzini mostly njoba u indicate ne?
Yes.
Yes, sonke siyavuka ekseni siye emsebenzini ehlukahlukene. Ama career wethu ahlukahlukene, ama positions wethu ahlukahlukene. Sishiya imindeni. Some they wake up as early as 4 o'clock. Ukuthi by 6 o'clock sekasemsebenzini. And that on its own, yeah, it's draining. Ukuthi uzovuka ngo4 ungena ngo6. Omunye usebenzisa i-taxi to go to Pretoria every day and coming back ebusuku every day. Bese uthola kulo msebenzi owusebenzayo awukho happy because of ama reasons ahlukahlukene futhi emsebenzini siyalwa. And you ask yourself ukuthi sonke la size ngepurpose e1 ukuzosebenzela imindeni yethu ukuze sibeke isinkwa at the end of the day. Kodwa uthola kunezimpi emsebenzini ezinye if you wenza research you investigate ukuthi what is happening, what could be the cause of that conflict. It doesn't make sense. Mawuzova ama reasons abazowabeka. Manje what we are doing now, we are preparing people ukuthi next year when they go back to their workplaces bangene emisebenzini with a positive spirit, with a positive mind ukuthi lento zama beef sishiye ngo2025.
Yini kakhulukazi abake beef emsebenzini baby ukuthi wena une hairstyle enhle kunomunye usisi noma mhlawumbe kwenziwa ukuthi kunomuntu nje vele odale umuntu omubi or is it umuntu omubi nje ukuthi vele yena akabathanda abanye abantu. Is it competition maybe told we both competing for a favor with boss or mhlawumbe ngisaba ukuthi ubani uzopronyotha oqala kunami noma ubani ungconywa kakhulu. Yini ebangama conflicts kakhulu emsebenzini? Is it jealousy, is it competition, is it yini noma mhlawumbe indlela mhlawumbe engikhuliswe ngayo angikwazi ukuphatha abanye abantu kahle angikwazi ukuphendula?
Good question. Remember they say charity begins at home. Indlela engikhuliswe ngayo indlela ezobonisa ukuziphatha kwami phambi kwabantu. Abanye it's so disappointing ukuthi ukhule ekhaya elinomthetho, ekhaya elifudumele elinothando, kodwa makasika fika ngaphandle uba a total different person altogether.
Phenduka isilwane.
Yes. Mostly into eyenza ukuthi emsebenzini kuqale ama conflicts. Number 1, corridors gossips. Siyahleba, ne? And remember once niqala ukuhleba kunamanga phakathi. And if mina ngikhulume into nawe Benedict sakhuluma ngosabelo ne emsebenzini mase ifika kusabelo angeke isafike the way mina nawe sisayikhuluma ne seyineyibias on top. And once usabelo sekabuya kithi kuzoyenzakalani kuyaliwa wena usabelo makasekeza ku azokuconfronta and it depend indlela usabelo azokuconfronta ngayo ukuthi wena uzoyireceive kanjani.
Yazi makhuluma ngendaba ye misunderstanding. I can't resist telling this story.
Okay.
Ngasekhaya ukhona umnyu baba othi hey ngibona umthakathi ebusuku noma umuntu obezokwebona umthakathi.
Yeah.
Uthi uyini uthi hayi umuntu wesilisa ubemkhulu ubengathi isidudla nje isizwende kuthiwa umntaka uthi yabo ungako Hadebe kangaka uyazi indaba mayisihamba isifika Hadebe ukuthi uHadebe ubonakale ethakathe emzini obabothile wafika nemvubu Hadebe
abanye baze baboshiswane babulalane
yafika isinkinga ukuthi mina ngitshela umakhelwane hayi bekumuntu okanje ngitshela izingane zami ngixoxe bese ifike engaleni ithi hawu uthi ubona umuntu ofana noHadebe omnye kuthiwa Hadebe bakubone lapha kwaNgwenya bekufanisa omunye kuthiwa nje wona ubonakale kwaNgwenya uyabona the more indaba uyihleba the more emotion ifika komunye umuntu isingenye indlela
Yes, that is true. You mentioned indaba yejealousy.
Yes.
Emsebenzini asizenze example ne sisebenza e-shop asithi i-shop yakhona it's KM supermarket. La KM supermarket sinama positions ahlukahlukene. We have your cleaners, we have your cashiers, we have the staff. So we have the management, we have the supervisors, we have the owner, we have the stakeholders, we have customers kule business ne ukuze ibe successful iqhubeke ibe ne profit at the end of the day. Sonke size emsebenzini ngama positions wethu.
Yes.
Simple thing ezosiqabanisa more especially kubantu besimami. Ngiyafika emsebenzini on a Monday, I'm a cleaner at work, wearing new clothes, ne? And knowing my salary, ukuthi
it doesn't match.
It doesn't match. Yeah, it doesn't match the way I look. Ukuthi uafford kanjani ukuthenga le gama leli this brand ahola kangaka ngoba siba so forward and inquisitive to know about our salaries, and I think my salary is my private thing. Okay, if I'm willing to show you good mali, it's okay, but I cannot just go around and say mina ngikhola 3,000 wena ukhola mali
into hustle futhi indaba yami
into esiqabanisayo futhi leyo ne. I believe ukuthi my salary it's my private thing, it's confidential, not unless ngifuna ukukutshela. Okay, and then mawufika emsebenzini on a Monday you look different with a new hairstyle, new clothes, new shoes. That on its own say create a jealousy amongst amanye employees, and I can't shy away with that. Iyenzwa kakhulu abantu besimami sesiyazondana because you see me coming with a new hairstyle, and then bese soyaqala uyangihleba ukuthi hey ningamboni ayenze this hairstyle, do you know ukuthi usankolota le 30 rand last week mara uyafika namhlanje on a Monday with a new hairstyle ukuthi uzibuza ukuthi okay, just because I owe you 30 rand, then I mustn't look beautiful.
I was no mhlawumbe boyfriend yami engisurprisele noma ingane yami engisurprise.
Thank you. Then I must suffer for that. And what if ngalelo langa ongihleba ngayo ukuthi nimbona amuhle kangaka unkolota i30 rand, ngalelo langa bengizokubhadala ngize ngi-add ne 20 rand on top. You understand? Sisheshe sijudge singakafikeleli endabeni. And another thing ekosa ama conflict emsebenzini, communication and noku underminana. Siyathanda uku-underminana emsebenzini. Sikhohle ukuthi the sole purpose of us coming here to this company sizosebenza sisebenzele imindeni yethu ukuthi at the end of the day sithola amasalary wethu sikhone ukuthi siphile and make a living out of that. But because of sihlala sisempini, sihlala sicabangelana kabi, size siloyane nokuloyana, uzubuza ukuthi mara okay uze emsebenzini uzosebenza and uyazi ama duties and your responsibilities kule company ukuthi yini wena uyashifta kuma responsibilities waku company so kuwe uyaziwa ukuthi umamgobhosi. And also men babungobhosi abagobhozayo emsebenzini, umuntu akhohle ukuthi emsebenzini uzele ukuzolungisa imachine, uzele emsebenzini ukuzoba ku maintenance department, ukuthi if emsebenzini kunama faults of some sort, your lights, your taps, the drain ayisebenzi, kunabantu abasebenza le misebenzi leyo emsebenzini. That is your duties and your responsibilities oqhashelwe zona, but you find him seka busy e-office. Now he wants to work with a computer, and now i-job description yakhe ithe kuye wena you are a groundman, you are a caretaker, you are supposed to be there from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Kodwa mawufuna ubhuti akekho la a-stationed khona seka-busy ema-ofisini. That on its own create a conflict. And I'm sorry to say that akusinkinga ne ukuthi ubra X afune abe so inquisitive and curious ukubona ukuthi e-ofisini kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngala ma-computer. Akusinkinga kodwa ngesikhathi esi-right, not anyhow. Almost nami ngisebenza la sikaca anile wena uku-IT ubhizi ngecomputer uyafika uPlasem na ni-chemical ayiphethe esandleni ufuna ukubona ukuthi wenzani, afune just ukukudisturba anile
siyaraphela makunjalo.
Unnecessary conflicts.
Yes, unnecessary.
Because uyaphazamisa.
So how do I deal with ama-lokhuzana ama-conflicts, especially khona lena engeke ngibone mawuthi uyangena emsebenzini you can feel the tension ukuthi abantu they feel intimidated or they feel threatened or they just don't like me at all. How do I deal with that situation?
That one.
You can just feel the tension. You can carry it with a knife. When you go through the door, you can feel ukuthi ish abantu maybe due to the fact that you are just excellent emsebenzini wakho, you excel, or just because ubukeka kahle, they don't even know whether you have a side hustle or what.
That is true. Angazi ukuthi kwenziwa yini, more especially thina abantu bebala ne uzofila out emsebenzini uthi ungena ekseni abantu bakubheke kabi, uzibuza ukuthi yini e-wrong ngami, uthola ukuthi ayikho into e-wrong. Of course wena uyaperforma emsebenzini, mabafuna ama-report wakho wonke 100%. Bese ama-delinquent most of the time yiba bakhosa ama-conflict emsebenzini. uBenedict uzenza ngqono kule company. Awuzenzi ngcono, it's because you perform. Wenza ama-duties wakho nama-responsibilities wakho, your job description accordingly. So mangibona ukuthi wena uya excel ngomsebenzi wakho, then sengicala ngiba nomona kuwe. And the way abantu aba-toxic bangakhona, they like to have a crowd. They like to have a crowd bakugengaphi. Bese even nalaba bangazwani, the enemies, they become friends, so that bazo attacker wena. Uthola ukuthi emsebenzini nisebenza ni-10, i-8 yonke i-against wena, ukuthi usibuza ukuthi wenzeni kangaka. Abanye bakuzondela the way you perform, the way you look, uyakufela nalokho, the way you take care of yourself. And remember, sihola isalary A1, asithi singama cashier sonke sihola 5,000 sonke, so 10 out of the 10 asisebenzisi accordingly imali esihola.
Ama-expenses at our fund.
Ama-expenses at our fund, and the last phuma khona our backgrounds, our fund. Sihola 5,000 sonke. Mina ngiyakhona ukuthi ngibhadale rent, ngithengele abantwana ukudla, ngibamikise esikoleni. Ngelinye ilanga bangibone ngivela sengizidrivele iUno. We understand indlela engikhona ukusave imali yami. What if every month ngisave ama-500 rand? This come December sengine 20,000 ngiyakhona ukuyodeposit iUno. That on its own kwabanye abantu emsebenzini kuba iproblem ukuthi awu kanjani sihola i-5,000 mara yena seka driver iUno. Why can't we learn to sit down and have a conversation? Benedict Eshman, yazi I'm struggling man, le 5,000 ayingenzeli next man. Wena wenza kanjani? And what if Benedict uzonginceda ukuthi you know what, asihlale phansi asenze budget yakho, le 5,000 mayingena, what do you do about ngayo? And then sihlala phansi senza ibudget, mina nawe uyangikhombisa ukuthi you know what, kule 5,000 yenza lokhu nalokhu. Uma ngale masengiceda ukwenza this budget no Benedict, so selelwe i-1,500 and every month inyanga mayiphela ngabo mayi2 awusenamali. But ukuhlala phansi ukwenza ibudget no Benedict sekakhombisile ukuthi how to go about to do ibudget, you can make a difference out of it.
So mina kumele ngenze njani mangiyibona ngiyazonda emsebenzini?
Good. Good question.
Because angifuni sigoqe singafikanga lapho. Kumele ngenze njani ngiyabona hey abangifuni labantu?
Yeah.
Sometimes the boss told I ngifuni kwayona.
That one.
So how do I deal with that situation?
Okay. You feel ukuthi emsebenzini abakufuni ne?
And kuba
reason. Yeah, thank you baso kanje. Kunama reason ayenza ukuthi umuntu athi mina angisafuni ukuya emsebenzini. Lapha emsebenzini ngigrand. Uthola ukuthi nento abakubangisa yona ayikho. How do you deal with that? You go to the management, and then if management na ayikhona ukukunceda sinama union, you go to your union and ubeke imetha yakho ukuthi mina emsebenzini bangenza sona. Then if ne union na yahlula, we have CCMA. You can go there and ask for help. If na yahluleka, we have a court. You can go there, hire a lawyer, and you can go there. And then when it comes to AMA boss, that one ibhlungu. Boss izokuzonda. There was a situation, Nama was employed somewhere. There was a situation, boss something angifuni. And ngam approach ngelinye ilanga ukuthi yini kwenzakalani silwelani, because mina according to me umsebenzi wami ngiwenza kahle. And there was never a time ukuthi ngiyalova emsebenzini or ngishayisa early. Umsebenzi wami uso. Why ngisho kanjalo? Even other colleagues will say yeah umsebenzi wakho muhle. We understand, but the boss ayikho happy. Ngathi mangilandelela umuntu yolandelela ukubuze nabanye emasayidini ngayithola indaba ukuthi uyazi ukuthi why athi akakuthandi uthi ugcoka kahle ukumdlula and makufika abantu bazofuna yena baqala bacabanga ukuthi uwe umphathi the way you look, so lento leyo kuye yahlala kabi kwaba i-hatred.
So wenza njani? Ngifuna lokubuza ngenza njani ngoba ngizona noma nami hayi ngihle emhlathi ngiyakhona emsebenzini vele nginike.
You know,
ngiya understand the legal route. So sengisho ukuthi ke ngiyabona ukuthi hayi abangifuni vele ngenza njani. Ukudla imhlathi vele ngiyakhona straight and
you know what?
ekhaya.
You know what? Angeke uyeke umsebenzi because of emsebenzini abakufuni and ubonile ukuthi nento abangakufuneli yona ayikho. Go to work. And emsebenzini asiyela ngwenza ubungani. Number 1. That is the mistake esiyenza ukuthi ma emsebenzini wena sona bangani. Ukhohle ukuthi uzeleni emsebenzini. Inkinga icala lapho. If unabantu emsebenzini ofila ukuthi abakufuni and abakuthandi usozame konke bayekele. Wena yenza umsebenzi wakho. Makuma ungena ngo7 to 8 ngena emsebenzini 7 to 8, after that go home. Ngelinye ilanga bazobona ukuthi mara yazini lento esimlisela yona ayikho.
Uyazi uqinisile bayashintsha eventually
ngosikhathi omunye
uyazi mina ngangingakwazi ukuthi nje umuntu mayesesondelene nawe uyakubona ukuthi umuntu alright, mina ngangizwa kuthiwa nje wena uyatshela njani.
Enye into ilento engishilo ukuthi ama corridors gossipers yiwo acreate inking. Ngiyazifikela emsebenzini awungazi angwazi, so vebakhuluma into eziso nawe so bicycling for that. Why ungaziniki isikhathi ukuthi ungazi ukuthi kamambela vele lo muntu lo usona nokunyatsa mase ngayikunyatana man. Come 2026 sibe abantu abahlukile, uthi noma uvuke ekseni enjoy ukuthi ngiyemsebenzini. Ithi noma ialarm ikhala uthi oh my god ngiyemsebenzini, ujabulele ukusebenza. Khona abantu abangasafuni ukusebenza because of the environment is so toxic.
Ayike mbukelo izwela nawe kunzima ukuvuka ekseni ushiya abantu abakho, ushiya ifamily yakho, ugeza, uprepare ukuya emsebenzini, usebenze kwamsebenzi wona unzima. So don't make it hard for omunye umuntu ukuthi asebenze phe kwe stress ukuthi vele umsebenzi kwawona uyinto enzima. So ubalekile kakhulu. Phumla K is our life coach. Inamba zakhe izoleze lapha escreenini mangabe umfuna, whether ufuna zokhuluma kodwa udila ngama function, basically everything.
Yeah, everything that has to do with life.
Yes, that has to do with life. Noma mhlawumbe kuthi ushonele,
yes,
mhlawumbe ufuna advice, uluza umsebenzi, une stress, you're going through a divorce, anything that has to do with life.
Yes.
Usuweza ukusiza ke ucoach wethu Phumla K ukuthi ke abe nawe ngaso sonke isikhathi, akuthathe, akubeka, akadvise, akutshela ukuthi no lento siyenze kanje ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siphume kule situation. So next time so thola futhi next week same place same time.
Exactly. God's willing.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my brother.